Hola chicos de YouTube, mi nombre es Laura Marcela y mi hermana Laura Daniela va a cantar una canción y es de Demi Lovato. This is me. I was in the captain school, they hearing my face, so I crazy around the world, what I tried to say, but I had to dream, right inside of me, I gotta let it show, it's time to let you know, to let you know, this is the real, this is the me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. Gonna let the light shine on me. Now I tell who I am. There's no way to fall again. No more hiding who I wanna be. This is me. Do you know what it's like? But just know in the dark, to dream about a light. You're the shining star. You know it seems like you're so far away. I have to believe in myself. It's the only way. This is the real, believe in me. I've been exactly where I'm supposed to be now. And I want the light shine on me. Now I got you right again. There's no way to hold it in. No more hiding who I wanna be. This is me. I need to find you. Try to find you. You're the mystery. I need the song inside of me. I need to find you. I can't find you. This is the real, this is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. But the light shine on me. Now I am. There's no way to fall again. No more hiding you, I wanna be. This is me. The song inside of me. This is me. Yeah. Nobody else. There's no way to fall again. No more hiding who I wanna be. This is me. Dani. Hello.